Hi, this is Mr. Lay at Trimble Tech High School. I will be your Algebra 2 PAP Algebra 2 instructor this year. I would like to do a quick video to show you how to log into my Google Classroom and how to log into Google Meet to start the first day of school. Some of you will have me Tuesday if you are period 1 to 4, and then the other will be in Wednesday if you're period 5, 6, 7, 8. So I email you the classroom code, and if you don't have it, you can always email me. Again, my email is right here under the teacher website. So you can find my website under the Trimble Tech website where it says teacher website, and you can go. This is go by alphabetical, by last name, or you can just type in Min Lay, click search, and then there we go. That's my website. So let's say you are in my Algebra 2 class. You would click that tab right there, and here is the Google Classroom code. I also post the weekly lesson plan on here, the syllabus as well. You can browse through that later. So the Google Classroom codes. Let's say Juan, you are in my second period. Then you would use this code right here. This is the Google Classroom code. I would copy it. Or if you're in my period 3, that's the Google Classroom code, period A, etc. So let's say Juan is in my second period. So I'm going to go to, so I chose the second period classroom code. And then the plus sign on top here, click on it, join class, and then you just enter the classroom code and you will be logged into my class. Once you log into my Google Classroom, so let's say Juan, he has A of this class. He already logged into my classroom. So there we go. And once he logged in, he will see the meeting link, Google Meet link. He click on it, and he will meet me online. Okay? So it's just an example here. I need to... And then from there, we're going to start the lesson. Basically, the week 1 lesson plan is on here. Once he click on this, so we're gonna, on the first day of school, we'll do a check-in, which is in Google Classroom. So here's a check-in, check-out, check-in. Complete that. And then we'll watch a video. So here's the video is under this link. So watch it. And then just follow direction there. We'll do a brain breaks. After that, we'll have an introduction video. The videos is going to be about grading, about the syllabus, about resources, about assignment, everything about my class. So that's what the video is about. And then, so the class is break down into 3 sections. The first one is synchronous, which is first 30 minutes. This is going to be through Google Meet. This is the synchronous. And then it's going to be like direct student-teacher interaction. After the 30 minutes, it's going to be asynchronous, which is a student work independently. After 30 minutes of that, the student log back into Google Meet for office hour, tutoring, anything that student need help, they can ask me the last 30 minutes. After everything's finished, they're going to do a checkout, which is also on Google Classroom. So, if you have any question, please email me, call me, or we'll meet you back here on Tuesday or Wednesday. So have a wonderful Labor Day weekend and be safe. Bye-bye.